one thing I've heard mentioned in other presentations is that DevOps is sort of the onboarding ramp for serverless, and a good use case we had in that was we needed very lightweight edge authentication for an S3 download, and worked with the operations person and said, well, what are some ways we could do this? And we started talking about what is the operational load of doing that. Well, it should be in CloudFormation, there should be an ASG, there should be multiple EC2s, we're going to run a T2 micro, then we need Nginx, and it's just sort of this litany of things, right? And then once we have that provisioned, we need to track Nginx CVEs and things like that. And I said, well, you know what we could do is we could just use Lambda at Edge. And literally within a few hours, we had a Lambda at Edge provisioned that satisfied most of these requirements and helped us get to market extremely quickly. And it was something that we could sort of bridge the gap between the traditional gap between developers and operators. And so that was a very concrete use case, and that grew into more operational focused things, say cron jobs, and knowing that your cron job will reliably execute.